Hello, this is Bryce with Adaptive Agriculture. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about sharing devices. So it's actually really cool. You can share your device and have multiple users control your device. Head over to devices. You can share your main group if you'd like. So you can go to group users and then click the share. And then just type their email in, give them all the different permissions that you'd like to let them have, and click share. Another way you can do this is go up to the top three circles at the right hand side and click share group. And you can type their email in, give them the permissions, and everything else. Another way you can do this is go to view device, click on more at the top right hand side, and click share. So, just like the last two types, give them the permissions that you want to let them have. Or you could create a shareable link. All you have to do is click never expires and the little plus sign, and then click to copy the link to your clipboard. You can use this to text to people. Well, anyways, that's all I have for you today, so make sure you like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to address them. And as always, have a fantastic day.